Just one more to the desolated shore, the boat along and down the river Nile. Doesn't seem to care, no more wind in his head as he reached his last half mile. The oar snaps in his hand before he reached dry land, but the sound doesn't deafen his smile. Just pokes at wet sand with oar in his hand, floats down the river Nile. Floats of the river Nile. Whatever.